Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are fine and taking care of your family members and yourself also. Today in Maths, we will revise the chapter number 40, that is data handling. Data handling previously also we have done that why it is needed. We have done it. Let's revise once again. Data handling is a process, you can say, where we have to collect information related to given topic. Suppose in the class birthday of many students. If we collect that information, after collecting information representing in a such a way so that if anyone can observe and he or she can easily understand the result or what is there. Okay, suppose I am taking example of classroom students' birthdays. I cannot remember all children's birthday, month-wise birthday, January how many children's, February how many children's, like way throughout the year which children had birthday on January, which children had birthday on May, all these things I cannot remember or no one can remember. But if it is represented in a chart form, if it is represented and displayed on the board, that will be easier for everyone. And in January months, whose birthday? How many birthdays are there? Whose birthdays? Name will be displayed there. So, anyone can see and can understand that in January month, so and so children are having birthday. In December month, so and so children are having birthday in December. This is called data handling. Okay. So, data handling, nothing. It is a process of representing information in such a way that everyone can understand easily that what is there in it. This data handling can use in our real life also. In real life in the country we can see that people are coming to your house, that how many members are there in your house, and they will write that in your house 5 members, in your neighbor's house 10 members. They will write that. Why they do that? They count the population of our country, how many people lives in our country, and according to that, like our birthday chart, they will also prepare some chart which give us clear idea that in India how many people are living. This is called census. And you have seen your parents are also going for giving vote. For that also people are coming. All people cannot give vote. Girls and boys, they are having certain age. In that age they can give vote. Okay? But below that age, people cannot give vote. Voting power will be given after certain age. That is also, for that also counting populations are needed, that how many people in our country are above this limitation and below this limitation of age. Okay. So that is why all these things, if we do the representation of collecting information, that is called data handling. Previously also we have learned, now also we are revising so that you can recall everything. So, your chapter, I will start this. All exercise you have already done in previous week. Here we will do certain exercise which will recall, which will you can understand. If you have still any doubt, that can be clear. Okay, so let's start. First, you can see here, yes, you can see here, it is written data handling. That means you have to write one or two sentences that what is data handling, isn't it? And it means to collect information, we will write data handling means data handling. Data handling means to collect informations and represent them properly. Represent them properly. Represent them properly so that we can easily analyze and evaluate the results. Okay. So data handling means to collect informations and represent them properly so that we can easily analyze and evaluate the results. As I gave an example, with the help of birthday chart, anyone can analyze how many students are having birthday on January, how many students in December, anyone, total number of students in this class with the help of this birthday chart. That is called analyze and evaluate, isn't it? And same counting of population of our country, that is also same process. That is called analyzing and evaluating the result. Okay, with the help of that chart we can understand it. Now here application of data handling, where it is used, application of data handling, application of data handling, where we are doing in a classroom, in the classroom, as I told you, in the classroom, yes, another in the country, in the country. Example, as I told you, for birthday chart, yes, for month-wise birthday chart, we will write here. Yes, for month-wise birthday chart, we will write here. For month-wise students birthday chart, that is one example, isn't it? For students height weight chart, for students height and weight chart, national census, CENSUS, for voter roll, for all these things data handling is helpful, means collecting information and representing in such a way so that everybody can understand and evaluate. In our life also, if we do same thing, like I am giving example in real life also, it will be useful. Suppose your whole day is divided into 4 parts. I can say morning, then afternoon, then evening, then night. If you divide morning activity and you mark the time also, you divide the time also for these activities, then same afternoon activities you mark the time or divide the time, same way evening also, night also. And if you write in a paper in a nice way, that is also called data handling. That means you will follow that chart, your daily routine will be conducted according to that. That is also data handling. Anybody if sees that chart, they can understand that this is your time of taking lunch, this is your time of doing homework, isn't it? This will be helpful for you also and others who observe that. That is the use of data handling. Okay, so in our real life also we apply data handling, isn't it? Many things we are doing, we are making that class timetable, that this to this time English period, that is first period, this to this time, that is EVS period, that is second period, that is also data handling, because we are representing the subject according to the time and we are making in a format that is called timetable, class timetable. That is also data handling. Anybody can understand what is there in the third period on Monday. Anybody can understand what is there on the seventh period on Friday by looking at this timetable. That is also data handling. Okay. So data handling is useful most of the places, at home, in school, in country and everywhere. In the shop also you can see they are making a price list of the given items, and they know in their records, the shopkeeper keep the records that how many, suppose that is a stationery shop, how many pencils are there in his shop, how many notebooks are there in his shop. That records they are maintaining. Why? Because they can understand that how many they have they have already sold, how many still there in the shop with the help of their chart. That is also data handling. So hope now this concept is clear, and now we will do different exercises related to data handling. Okay, please observe it, this will be helpful for you.